Creating a modding tutorial is a great way to share your knowledge and help others learn how to modify games effectively. Here's a structured approach to creating a comprehensive modding tutorial. Choose a modding tool or game. Select a specific modding tool or game that you're familiar with and comfortable using. Consider the popularity and accessibility of the tool, game to ensure your tutorial reaches a broad audience. Define the scope. Clearly define the scope of your tutorial. Decide whether you'll cover basic modding concepts, specific features of the modding tool, or advanced techniques. Tailor the scope to your target audience's skill level: beginner, intermediate, advanced. Outline the tutorial structure. Create an outline that organizes the tutorial into logical sections or steps. Start with an introduction to modding and the tool, game, followed by sequential steps that guide learners through the modding process. Introduce prerequisites. Identify any prerequisites or requirements learners need before starting the tutorial. This may include installing the modding tool, understanding basic scripting languages, or having a specific version of the game installed. Provide clear instructions. Write clear, step-by-step instructions for each part of the modding process. Include screenshots, diagrams, or video demonstrations to illustrate key points and actions. Use plain language and avoid jargon that may confuse beginners. Include code and script examples. If your tutorial involves scripting or coding, provide examples of code snippets and explain their purpose and functionality. Break down complex scripts into manageable parts and explain how they interact with the game. Demonstrate mod creation. Walk learners through the creation of a simple mod or modification. Show them how to modify textures, adjust game mechanics, add new items, or implement custom scripts. Provide tips and best practices for each modification. Address troubleshooting and common issues. Anticipate common challenges and errors that learners may encounter during the modding process. Include troubleshooting tips, error messages to watch for, and solutions to resolve issues effectively. Encourage hands-on practice. Encourage learners to apply what they've learned by practicing modding on their own. Provide exercises or challenges that reinforce key concepts and allow them to experiment with different modding techniques. Seek feedback and revise. After creating the tutorial, seek feedback from peers or beta testers who are new to modding. Revise the tutorial based on their feedback to improve clarity, completeness, and overall user experience. Publish and share. Once finalized, publish your modding tutorial on a platform accessible to your target audience. Consider sharing it on modding forums, community websites, social media, or your own blog channel to reach aspiring modders. By following these steps, you can create a modding tutorial that educates and empowers learners to explore their creativity through game modification. Your tutorial can serve as a valuable resource for the modding community, fostering skill development and innovation among enthusiasts.